What's up, guys? It's Jason with MP3D, and today I've got a pretty special project for you guys. All right, here's the story. My buddy reached out to me this morning and said, hey, have you ever laser engraved anything like this? And I panicked because I have not. I wanted to do that, but I've not done that yet. So I decided, heck, why not? I'm just going to give it a try and see what happens. I'll take you guys along with the process of doing this. And again, I've never done this. I have no idea what the settings are, how they're different. We're going to actually change this over to the infrared laser, which I have not done. So let's get going. I've not done anything on metal yet, only on leather and only on wood. So my X-Tools S1 is still set up for diode. So I'm going to pop off the 40 watt laser and put the 2 watt infrared laser on there. And then I don't know what we're going to do next, but I'm going to take you over and show you. All right, I've gone ahead and taken off the 40 watt laser. As you can see, I cleaned it off just a little bit, and I'm going to be replacing it. And I've already done that. But if you look right here, there's a clip that you got to take off, plus a little air assist tube. So once you take that off, be gentle with that. You're just going to attach. There's 2 screws right here. You're going to attach. You place those there, and you're rocking. But there's that clip, and there's the air assist tube, and here is the air assist. So just like we do with everything else, because I'm just doing one to test it out, I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm going to grade this on the back, and I'm just going to try to give me a little place here to where I know where to go each time. So I'm going to place it right there. I've gone ahead and put 8U dolphins on there, 24, 25. I still need to measure the distance to what I'm doing, and then also set up the parameters here. Let's check that out. All you're going to do is slide your laser over so you can get focus. Put it somewhere in the middle there, doesn't matter. And I'm just going to go over here. It's going to hit measure. I know this is super exciting, but we're going to watch this thing drop down. Oh yeah, check it out. Ooh, yeah, there we go. All right, step 2, we're going to mark the processing area. Okay, we're going to select circle. We're going to have start marking. And all we're going to do is come over here. We're going to put it at this corner. We're going to hit the little button here. Boom. We're going to move it over and down just a little bit. Just don't mind me here. I'm doing this with one hand. Hit the button. Boom. Slide this down a little bit more and at a little bit of an angle at the bottom there. And boom. All right, we're going to end marking. So you hit end marking, hit done, and then we're going to pull it up. Now, it's pretty close to being where it needs to be. I'm not gonna lie to you, I cheated a little bit. I went on to autopilot. You probably asked ChatGPT for approximate settings on a little brass medallion, and it told me anywhere from 80 to 100%. And I know it's metal, so I want it to be slow. So I know a slower speed like 100 is probably gonna be best, but let's just kind of see if that works. We're 80%, and you know what? I think I'm gonna slow it down to 75%, and I'm gonna do 2 passes. Now, 1 pass could be plenty, but I'm going to try 2. This is a guesswork game here. So 80 power, speed, and then we're going to hit process. I don't need to frame here, but we're going to hit process. We're going to put our lid down, and then it's going to tell us how long it's going to take. All right, as you can see, it says it's going to take 1 minute, 24 seconds. We're going to hit start. This thing's going to beep. And then we're off to the races. Being as this is the very first time that I've done this, even though I've done a little bit with leather and done a little bit with wood, it was kind of a guessing game. But I don't know, we're going to see. I'm going to show you the end result. I cannot explain it. That was a super lucky guess. I could have really screwed this thing up, but as you can see, it looks absolutely fantastic. I hope he's going to like it. If he does, maybe he'll send me a picture and I can send you guys a picture with all the little girls with their pictures. But look at that, 2 passes. and you can actually feel that it's engraved in there. So here's the thing, with the infrared laser, the 2-watt infrared laser, you can dig into this. I mean, I can feel the grooves. So don't be afraid to try these little brass coins. So let's talk about this for just a second. Why does this matter? Okay, so you can buy a pack of 10 to 12 of these for what, $15 to $20, and you can charge possibly $4 to $5 per engraving. You know, quick 50 bucks. It probably would take about 15 minutes. I'm gonna knock out these others, but I bet you in 15 minutes I can have all these done. The setup, super basic font, no big problem. Anyway, I hope you guys like this. This is one of those true things where I was kind of scared to try it, but I'm glad I did. I think it's gonna look awesome. I think they're gonna be super happy. But again, that's a short video. Hope you guys liked it. Be sure to hit the like. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you believed in me or not. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you like the font. I just went with something that was kind of a little bit girly, I guess. It could have been a little bit more blocky, but I think that looks pretty good. But let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like. What do you want me to try next? And anyway, again, let me remind you guys, try hard things. You know, you never know what's going to happen, and you never know. You might mess up and do something excellent like this, but I'm hoping they're going to like this. Anyway, that's all for me. MP3D Jason. I'll check you guys next time.